Hi again, everyone. I just want to tell you a few things about this next social studies assignment. It's about the census, and you're going to start by reading two articles. The first one is called The History of the Census, and these articles aren't too long, a few paragraphs each. The second article is similar. You're going to read some of the same information, and is called Why the U.S. Census Tries to Count Everyone. So these are the two informational articles that you're going to use for this assignment. Once you've taken a look at both of these articles, you have a Google form to complete. I use Google Forms this time to kind of change things up, give you some multiple choice questions. Some of these questions, once you submit, it will tell you if you got them right or wrong, and then some of them you do have to write a short answer. So the important thing that I wanted to point out with this Google form is it tells you here that these questions are going to come from the article, The History of the Census. And then these articles are going to come from Why the U.S. Census Tries to Count Everyone. So you don't have to go back and forth between the two articles. It tells you where these questions come from. The last question, you can choose from either article what are two things you've learned about the census, and click Submit when you are done. The optional bonus activity for this week comes from the U.S. Census Bureau. And this is a statistics in schools quiz, something for you to look at. It's got 9 questions here. They're all multiple choice, and when you click on the question, it will flip over and it will tell you the right answer. So this is just for fun. Maybe you know some of them. Maybe you can quiz a family member once you're done. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you email me. You can leave a comment on the assignment, or you can check out maybe the Google Meets that we're going to be having. I hope you guys are doing well, and I miss you.